Hello students, welcome to our Science 1 class and our topic that is gravitation. Now during our online classes, I explained you all the lesson and I told you that solve the following example. This is such type of question which we cannot explain orally. So I am going to explain on blackboard. After the completion of this problem, you copy in your register. Okay. Let us start with first example which is given in your page number 15. That is question number 4. An object takes 5 seconds to reach the ground from a height of 5 meters on a planet. What is the value of g on the planet? In my last video, I already explained the meaning of this small g. This small g, it is the acceleration due to gravity, that is small g. What is given in the problem? We have to read this problem carefully and what is given in that problem. First we write the given. What is given? One object is there, suppose it is a ball. It reaches to the ground, and how many time it takes? It takes 5 seconds. So our time is 5 seconds. Height is given, that is 5 meters. So S is equal to 5 meters, that is our displacement. What we have to find out? What is the value of g on the planet? So what we have to find out, that is value of g. Okay, while solving the problem, always remember, write what is given in the problem, then write what you have to find out. Then we have to find out small g, that is acceleration due to gravity. So according to Newton's universal law of gravitation, we got one formula. I already discussed with you in our last video, that S is equal to ut plus half gt square. If you remember this formula, then it is S is equal to ut plus half gt square. Okay, now second step, this is our formula. We can make a point also. First point given, second point what to find out, third point is our formula, and fourth point is last one, that is our calculation. That is our calculation. Now S, what is S? It is 5 meters. So write down 5 meters is equal to u. Again I already told you that u is equal to 0 because it is initial velocity. So put 0 instead of u. T plus half. We have to find out this g. T is given in our problem, that T is 5 seconds. So it is 5 second square. You have to put unit, g, second, etc., etc. But if you find it difficult, so not necessary, it is not necessary to write the unit while solving the problem. You can write the unit at the end of the solution also. Okay. Now next step, 5 meters is equal to, this becomes 0, no need to write. This is half g into 5 square, that is 25 second square. What we are going to find? We are going to find this value of g. So it becomes g is equal to, we have to keep this g before the arrow because we have to find the value of g. So this becomes g is equal to 2 into upon 25 second square. If you cancel, then it becomes 5 5s are 25. So we get 2 meter upon 5 second square. When you solve this, when you divide this 2 by 5, you got the answer, that is 0.4 meter per second square. In this way, we can calculate the value of g, that is our acceleration due to gravity. So you can mention all this calculation with this units, or if you find it difficult, so do not mention the unit. You will mention the unit at the last while you find the answer. Okay, so our answer is, therefore the acceleration due to gravity, that is g, is equal to 0.4 meter per second square. Okay student, in our page number 15, our second problem is given. It is in blackboard. The radius of planet A is half the radius of planet B. This means one thing is getting clear here, that we have two planets. एक बात आपको क्लियर हो गई है कि in this problem how many planets we have? Two problem. So first of all, as we know our step number 1, that is given, we have two planet, that is planet A and another is planet B. What is again given? If the mass of A is ma, मतलब इस planet का जो mass है, it is given as A, and mass of another planet, we can suppose that it is mb. What must be the mass of B so that the value of G on B is half that of its value on A? Now first, if you consider the first point, that is the radius of planet A. This is our planet A and its radius is r upon 2. So definitely the planet B has the radius r. Because of this planet B, radius is r, in planet A it is half, that is r upon 2. What is acceleration due to gravity? It is g. In first problem already I told you about this g. If acceleration of gravity of planet A is equal to g, then according to our given question, acceleration of gravity on planet B is equal to half, that is g upon 2. Okay, this is as per our given example. Now we are going towards our formula. What is formula? Formula is given, g is equal to gm upon r square. It is given in our last video. Okay, now therefore g is equal to g. This is for planet A. This is for planet A. So we have to mention it is m a. R square. R square means what? R square is equal to r by 2. So it is r upon 2 square. Okay, value of g, it is given? No, it is like this. Okay, so g is equal to g m a upon, this is r square upon 4, because the square of 2 is 4. After manipulation we put this 4 into this numerator, so it becomes g is equal to 4 g ma upon r square. This is your equation number 1. Understood how we got this equation? Because of this formula. Okay, now all these formulas, all these values already given in our example. Now what is our second situation? That is for planet B. Again same formula will be there. So value of g, it becomes half. So g upon 2 is equal to g. Now this is for another planet, that is mb upon, radius is not half, it is r, so it is r square. After manipulation we have to write like this: g is equal to 2 gmb upon r square. This is your equation number 2. Now compare the equation 1 and 2. What you got? First equation 4gma upon r square is equal to 2gmb upon r square. What is asking in the question? Question में क्या पूछा है? So that the value of g on b is half that of its initial value on a. What must be the mass of b? What must be the mass of b? So mass of b, this is mass of b, mb is equal to, therefore mb is equal to 2g upon r square multiply r square upon 4gma is equal to r square cancel, 2 2s are 4, g cancel. So at last mb is equal to twice ma. This is what is asking in your example. What must be the mass of b so that the value of g on b is half that of its value on a? So this is the half on value of a. Got? So the students, on our page number 15, again third problem is given, that is regarding mass and weight. So first I am telling you the difference between mass and weight. As already taught in your online class, that what is mass and what is weight. Mass is the actual quantity which is present in that matter, and weight is due to the force, and due to that force we can stand on this earth, that is gravitational force. So weight is related with our force, and mass is the actual quantity which is present on that matter. Okay, what is given in the problem? It's very simple problem. Given one object is there and it has mass is equal to 5 kilogram. Again it has force is equal to 49 Newton. What will be their values on the moon? Okay, so mass and weight of earth. Mass and weight on earth. First we consider earth and second we consider the moon. Okay, now mass and weight on the earth. And what is weight? I already told you, it is the force. What is our formula then? Weight is equal to, that is force is equal to mg. Force is equal to mg. How many it is? It is 49 Newton is equal to mass is given as 5 kg. Again I am telling you that if you find it difficult, so not to write this unit. Okay, if you do not write also, it is okay. Into g. Therefore g is equal to 49 Newton upon 5 kg. So after solving this, you will get the new value, that is g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. It is the value of g. What is the condition here? The condition is here, assume that the acceleration due to gravity on the moon, it is the acceleration due to gravity on the earth. ये जो value आपको मिली है, the value which we have find out, it is on the earth. Now on moon, what will happen? The situation becomes like this. Now acceleration due to gravity on moon, it become 1/6. It become 1/6. So this value become 1/6. 9.8 is equal to 1.634 meter per second square. Secondly, what we have to find? We have to find the same formula for moon also. In moon, W is equal to mg. What is our m? We know it is 5 kg. We know it is 5 kg, and we find the value of this g, that is 1.634 meter per second square. Okay, so it becomes, now you have to calculate this. After calculation, you got a new value, that is 8.17, and definitely what we have to find? We have to find the weight. So its unit is in Newton. What is the unit of weight? The unit of weight is Newton. So got the answer? Students, you all write these problems in your regular Science 1 copy. Okay, thank you.